students conduct experiments to investigate friction. Which experiment will best test the effect of friction on objects? A. Drop two balls from the same height at the same time. B. Roll two marbles on the carpet from the same starting point at the same time with the same amount of force. C. Roll three marbles across three different surfaces from the same starting point at the same time with the same amount of force. Or D. Release two balls from the top of a ramp at the same time. Think about it for a moment. The correct answer is C. Rolling three marbles across three different surfaces from the same starting point at the same time with the same amount of force allows us to compare how friction affects each marble on different surfaces. This provides a clear understanding of the role friction plays on various materials. Dropping two balls from the same height tests gravity, not friction. Both balls will fall at the same rate due to gravity regardless of friction. Option D is also incorrect because releasing two balls from the top of a ramp focuses on gravity and initial velocity. It does not test how different surfaces affect the motion of the balls. Option B involves rolling two marbles on the same carpet, which will show how friction affects motion on that one surface. However, it doesn't compare the effect of different surfaces on friction. By comparing the motion of marbles on different surfaces, we can see how friction affects each one differently. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more TEKS-based lessons.